This workshop is for educators who are in the classroom helping the students with their Texas Assess Initiative assessment. We are gathering them here for both ELA and math, providing them with resources and support, activities, lessons that they can take back to the classroom to assist their students. Our students need it so they can enter college and not take remedial courses. So it's really important for them to be successful on this test. It's also good for our districts as it counts for CCMR accountability and outcome bonus. So not only is it helping our students, but it's also going to help our campuses and districts. Preparing them for this, showing them these strategies is also going to help and lend itself to SAT and ACT.
Even though some students will tell you, I don't need to take the TSI, I don't need to take the TSI, I'm going to go into the windmills, I'm going to go onto oil rigs and things like that. What they did teach is that, wait a minute, you have instructional pamphlets that you need to learn. What if you're trying to use a drill magnet that's going to go into an oil rig? You need to read the how to operate this type of machinery. So if you are not used to extensive vocabulary, you won't be able to do well. And the TSI is good for 5 years. So if they say, no, I'm not going to do that, but then they get out into the real workforce and they're tired and not making the money that they want, they say, oh, I need to go to college. Guess what? You still had your TSI. What Region 1 does is that they bring the components of the Texas TEKS and the CCMR readiness standards and the AEL standards all together. So we leave with a lot of great strategies and information.
One of the priorities for our districts and campuses is that our students are TSI complete. So in order to get there, we need to make sure that our educators are informed. Our goal is to just support our educators so they are able to take this back and in turn help our students be successful.